चारूय न्हंयांचो पर्यावरणीय अहवाल मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत रेंव काडपाक पारंपरीक पद्दतीन सुरवात जातली अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिल्या। हे फावट 100% रेंव काडपाक मेळटले अशें पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरा सांगता।
आता मेरेन रेंव काडपा खातीर शापोरा, मांडवी आनी जुवारी ह्या 3 न्हंयचो पर्यावरणीय अहवाल आयला। चौथी तेरेखोल न्हंयचो पर्यावरणीय अहवाल आयल्या उपरांत रेंव काडपाक पारंपरीक पद्दतीन सुरवात जातली अशें मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सांगलें।
गोंयांतले रेंव जी काडपाचे आसा तेजी ईसी आतां डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्सान एप्लाय केली। आमकां म्हयन्या भितर एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स जे डायरेक्टर मायन्सा कडल्यान मेळपा जाय ते डायरेक्टर मायन्साक एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स मेळटले। 3 रिवर जुवारी, मांडवी, शापोरा ह्या 3 रिवराचे जाल्यार 4थ्या रिवराचे एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स जे रिपोर्ट येवपाचो बाकी उरला। एकदा मेळ्ळें ट्रेडिशनल पद्दतीन रेंव काडपाक गोंयकारांक सगळ्यांक परमिशन मेळटली, जाता तितके बेगीन एका म्हयन्या भितर मेळपाक शकता।
हे फावट 100% रेंव काडपाक मेळटली, पूण ती पारंपरीक पद्दतीन पंप लावन रेंव काडपाक मेळची ना अशें पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरान सांगलें।
Basically, there's a process it has to go through. It has to go through various committees. I think the process is on. Give us some time and we'll get through. I think the CM has also made a statement regarding sand mining.
Okay.
4 months लागतात
4 months
नायो रिपोर्ट बाकीचे देखून शापोरा रिवराचो रिपोर्ट येला म्हणटा नायो बाकीचे 4 months लागतले म्हणटा।
So that's what I'm saying. No, the whole process has to go. It has to go to the district committee. It has to go to all these various stages are there.
So, but can we say that this time at least through legalization
100%.
start?
100%. However, it will be sand mining, the traditional method.
Traditional method.
Not with your pumps and all that. No, people are saying they don't want the bridge when the press goes there. You have been present, some of you all were present at PWD.
Meeting, you know.
The meeting took place. You will agree with me that all, including the Sarpan,
Correct.
in one voice said, bridge is necessary.
Necessary.
Issue is the alignment, the road alignment. So we are waiting for that suggestion.
So any meeting is fixed up, which you have been asking them?
I think it will be next week.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।